Hi there, YouTube, and I do know that it's gonna be an early intro skill video.
Oh my God!
I did promise y'all I was gonna show y'all that it does run. So, anyway, let's get to it. As you can see, I got my locomotive Sandhill one that does run. I told y'all I promised I was gonna show y'all that it does run. I promised everyone out there, including my subscribers. So anyway, let's try to get the video one moving. See, I have a controller, and this is my try. I don't use that much emojis, and I'll do it now.
Oh my God, he is so low.
Oh, let me get the camera here on. I'm gonna get something to hold it for a minute.
I landed here so I don't have to get in all the trouble. If you make it out alive, I have a mini for you. Ooh, nice.
Well, that right, I saw you trying to get things loaded. Alright, but hold on, let me get the controller.
3 days.
Oh, get that off. No, this ain't working.
Oh my God. I'm so laggy. I headshotted a white marshmallow. Well, they're all white. Oh, there he is. I see him. I'm coming for him. Yeah, motherfucker! Get out of my server, dude! You think you're gonna hide from me? You think you're gonna hide from me, huh?
As you said, like, does come on.
You think you about to hide
So,
from me? No, no, no. I see him. I'm gonna jiggle him.
I'm gonna try and get.
I'm gonna deagle him, and then I'm gonna shotgun him. But never mind. Ooh, can I have that pump? What do you want it?
So I said, just run.
I need those heavies. And there, I think there's a pump. Never mind.
I'm video trying to get it going for y'all. What?
Ooh la la. Oh, already got one. Nice, dude. You're good. Starting out. Boom. I need to get my grenade thing. Sorry, dude. Oh, I have a mini over here, and there's a big pot.
Reason why this ain't probably real good too. It also do the track being kind of dirty, but I'm trying to get going one time for y'all.
Look at those stink bombs too. This is part of my challenge.